Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the Four Igbo Market days and their significance in the lives of Igbos and other Africans. Today that I'm doing this video is Eke Market Day. Eke in Igbo land is known as the first day of creation. We have Eke, which is the first day. Then we have Eke is masculine in nature. That's the first day. Then we have Orie. Orie is feminine. That's the second day. Then we have Afo. Afo is also masculine. That's the third day. Then we have Nkwo. Nkwo is the fourth day, which is feminine. Now, the creator created everything in pair. Masculine, feminine, masculine, feminine, which is a perfect score. So when you have two male and two female, you are having a family. Just like a man, a wife, and two kids. So we have the Eke, you have the Orie, we have Afo, we have the Nkwo. Then in some other parts of Igbo land, we have extra 4 days, like you have Ikenta, we have Orienta, Afonta, and Nkwanta, which is like a sub under the other market days, because Igbos are known for their commercial or industrial lifestyle. Hardly you see an Igbo that is not industrious. They're known for commerce, having the ability to do businesses everywhere they go. And it's also said that any part of the world that you've been to that Igbo man is not visibly seen there, it means that place is underdeveloped. So shout out to all Igbos across the world in the diaspora for keeping the struggle and also living up to expectations. I applaud every Igbo man, whether you are abroad, whether you're in Africa, wherever you are watching this video. I give kudos to you and I said keep moving strong. So why are we talking about these 4 market days and its significance? Like I said earlier, there's masculine, there's feminine. In the masculine, we have the sun. In the feminine, we have the moon. The masculine, the sun has its strength and that's where you have the highest form of activity going on. And it is a day that you can set aside for most of us that are doing spiritual work. It is a day you can set aside for having a high power or high intense activity going on, to use it to channel your energy towards what you are working on, be it business, whatever endeavor that you have come across. So the feminine doesn't mean that the feminine is a weaker or it is negative. The feminine is just to complement the masculine. So, and this has also placed our women in a very good position, because Igbo land doesn't disrespect women, because we are given birth by women. So we are not supposed to say positive and negative. But you know, just like the missionaries came and told us this is positive, this is negative, this is good, this is evil. In the real sense of word, in original truth, it is not supposed to be so. Our ancestors doesn't have that notion that this bad, this is good. All they know is that there are 2 parallel lines that the creator created in process. So if you say this is good, another person from the other side might be seen as bad. If you say this is bad, another person from the other side might see it as good. So, but all I know is that there are guidelines and there are stipulated laws, man-made laws, to keep everything in check, that everyone doesn't go above board, because being overly good is bad, and being too bad, I mean, being extremely bad is also bad, not good. So this market days, for those that are into spirituality, that want to practice their spirituality positively, you can choose the days where you have the masculine energy. mm. Then for those that are trying to do maybe water works, like we have Orie. Orie is associated with water. mm. The first thing that was created was sun, the second thing was water. Then before you start having land, Afo should be land. Then Nkwo should be vegetation. Nkwo is vegetation. That's why on every Nkwo market day, every woman is ready to go to the market to purchase food items, because on that day, food items are regularly or usually cheap or seldomly cheap. So you can see how it was arranged. And this is what our ancestors, this are what has been known for thousands of years, that has never been changed. So we are those championing the cause of our ancestors to make sure it doesn't go into extinction, because the way things are going on these days, the social media is trying to bring in false information to disorganize our society by making people to leave their roots or to embrace modernity. And in modernity, you find out that things are not working as it ought to work. In modernity, kids not having due um, training by parents, especially most parents are absentee parents, or parents are engrossed in material pursuit, right? So then you see the elders themselves are also found wanting, because back in the day, the elders make sure there's a regular meeting for all family members or members of the clan or kindred, to make sure that wherever there's excesses, it will be curtailed, where the normalcy will be brought to book. So elders should also behave themselves and play their role, so that kids will be guided properly. And that's why we that were championing this cause are not moved by material acquisition or because of trying to make money. We're doing this because we have passion. What should be done to make sure that our race is what our ancestors had planned for it to become. Please, if you have any question concerning what I just talked about today, or what I just taught, don't hesitate to call this number. Or you look at your screen, you can see a number on your screen. You can call or chat me on my WhatsApp, then I can be able to explore more on what has been said.